Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website which is officially website gigabyte.com, and then right inside you can see this is search tab. To enter your model number B86 Gaming X WIFI6E, then hit enter. Click on product, then click on title. This is your motherboard, so click on support. Then select your operating system which is required. So if you are using any Windows 10 11, because installations process same, driver same. Okay, LAN driver, click to download. After download LAN driver, just open. Then you can see this is driver, just double click. Then yes, now this is extracting. So guys, this is automatically closed, means this is installed.